Miranda! We got her here. She's gonna help us clean all these crappie that she caught and I caught. Get it! Yeah! You got it! That's a biggie!
Oh, gosh.
We found the bass too. We got our BUBBA lithium and the BUBBA little fillet flex knife. This thing's awesome for deboning crappie. Ready?
Yeah.
We got gloves on too, so we don't get too fishy. Check out this chunk of a perch we got. Like, this guy is a mammoth. Look at the shoulders on him. He's gonna be so delicious. Like, his tail is so tiny compared to the rest of him. Look at Miranda killing it with the flex fillet knife.
This thing is sharp.
Look at that.
Boom.
Boom. Show them out, honey.
Not much on that.
Like a pro. What man doesn't want that woman right there? Get in here, clean crappie in the middle of the night, deboning.
Bug infested
Hey,
shed.
it's buggy outside, but
It's
they're not
really
in here.
buggy.
In here, they stay out. Surprising. I mean, they're over the wall, but they don't bug you.
Right there.
Yeah, there's bugs in here. But we're done. That was fast. Bubble Blade knocked out 22 crappie and a fat perch in like
Show them the
15
sink.
minutes. Yeah, check out the sink. Full of fillets. Oh yeah. And we just gotta rinse them with some not lake water. And then we're gonna eat crappie all week long.